Hello everybody, wherever you are in this world, we will learn in this video how to fix Opera mobile browser no sound problem. First, just open your settings of your phone and open your apps option. Search here for Opera. Open it when you find it and come here to your storage option. Click right now on clear cache. Go back then click on force stop and click OK again. Directly here guys, come to permission. Give permission to all of these options as you can see here. Right now, restart your phone and after that you're gonna see that your problems has been solved. That's all, don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.